Toyota 2019 TRD Pro Truck amp up performance features for Chicago Auto Show. Toyota Racing Development is unveiling its next-generation family of TRD Pro off-road trucks for 2019 at the Chicago Auto Show, bringing performance features like high-tech suspension components to the entire lineup, a new 4Runner roof rack and an air intake snorkel to the Tacoma. The entire TRD Pro family, the Toyota Tundra, 4Runner and Tacoma, gets aluminum-bodied 2.5-inch TRD Fox Internal Bypass shocks. They're tuned for the specific characteristics of each vehicle by TRD engineers and offer improved dampening for on- and off-road driving situations. The Fox shocks replace the external bypass tubes typically used on off-road race vehicles to manage damping pressure by compactly incorporating multiple bypass zones inside of the shock absorber, offering a cushioned, plush ride while still providing for bottoming resistance. They also combine high-temperature shock fluid and nitrogen gas pressure to handle bumps and reinforce the seals. Front shocks are also paired with specially tuned TRD springs, which add to ride comfort and give each TRD Pro truck an aggressive, higher stance for the trail. The rear Fox shocks pair with a piggyback reservoir to hold extra oil volume, which helps maintain peak damping performance during extreme use. Each model features a distinct rear spring configuration, and TRD dust boots feature in the front and rear to help keep out dust and dirt. The Tacoma TRD Pro has a 1-inch wider track in both front and rear for added stability. It also gets a larger front sway bar, updated front skid plate with TRD red lettering and TRD exhaust accented with a new black chrome tip. Inside, in-tune premium JBL audio, integrated navigation and app suite all come standard, and there are TRD Pro branded floor mats and leather trim seats, among other features. Also available is what Toyota is calling the TRD Desert Air Intake, aka a snorkel, to help keep dust and dirt out of the 278 horsepower, 3.5-liter V6 engine's air intake during off-road use. The Tundra TRD Pro gets new LED fog lights and headlights, a new grille and new hood scoop, plus new 18-inch BBS forged aluminum, 5-spoke satin black wheels. There's a dual TRD Pro exhaust, again with the black chrome tips, and TRD Pro branding appears on the rear quarter panels and throughout the interior. A moonroof is optional. There's an extra inch of front lift on the TRD Pro 4Runner compared to other grades, plus nearly 1 inch of additional wheel travel and a nearly 1 inch wider track front and rear. It also gets new roof rack, a blacked-out grille and projector beam headlights with smoked trim. The TRD Pro series goes on sale in the fall with a choice of 3 colors for each vehicle: Super White, Midnight Black Metallic or Voodoo Blue, the latter exclusive to TRD Pro.